Hey guys, it's Glow. I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. As you can see by the title, we are going on a road trip and it's super fun this time because we are getting on the motorcycle. I have not been on the bike in a while and I haven't been on a trip on the bike in a while. Me and my dad are going to Tennessee. My father is in a long distance motorcycle club. They ride from DC to California multiple times a year. My dad has went once, but it's nothing for them to travel long distance. So that's kind of what this trip is about, and some more organization things that I don't know the details of. I'm just going for the vibes. I'm actually starting this video early. Today is Friday, September 5th. We leave on the 12th. I'm starting it because I have to prep. I have to get some things in order before we just get on the road. First things first is going to get my dad's bike. He got new speakers installed and I think he just got a regular maintenance, whatever you need to do to tune up a bike before a trip like this. So we're going to pick up his bike today and I'm going to bring you guys along with me. He's also probably letting me use one of his helmets that has the speakers and headset installed, so I have to test that. And we just want to get the bike all ready and packed up with our clothes way before we leave. But first things first, we can't go anywhere without our bike, so we're about to go pick that up.
Try to ride this thing one day. Ain't nothing to it. But you can't be scared,
Yeah.
And you gotta wanna learn how to ride. All them girls ride these bikes. So it ain't no thing about size.
Good morning guys, it is Friday. We are getting ready to leave for Tennessee. It is 5:40 in the morning. We have to meet up with the other bikers at 6:30. So my dad and I were about to leave. The bike is all packed, it's out front, and my helmet is here. I charged it a little more. I'm scared. I don't know how long this battery lasts, but I tested it out. Everything sounds good and I'm good. I hope this skull cap I have on really lays my hair flat so I don't have any issues with this helmet. But other than that, I'm good. I'm excited and I am ready to go. So I will see you guys when we get to the meetup spot. Hey y'all, so we are at the meetup spot. It's the Fort Washington Harley Davidson. We're waiting for everybody else to get here. Hey y'all, so I wanted to get on here and explain a little bit more of what you're about to see. So all of the bikers showed up, and then before we start our rides, we pray. After prayer, we just got on the road and headed to Tennessee. So the next couple of clips, you'll just see us riding, stopping to get gas until we reach our destination, which is Greenville, Tennessee. Hey guys, so I'm back in the hotel room. We just finished eating dinner. I'm getting ready to take a shower and go to bed. We have a long day tomorrow from what I heard, so I need my rest. I am super tired. The ride here was good, but turning on a motorcycle, not my thing. I heard that we're going to be in a parade. I wasn't prepared for a parade, but it doesn't matter. We're just here for the vibes and a good time, so I will see y'all tomorrow. I'm done. Good morning guys, it is Saturday. We are up and getting ready to head out. I look so hey, you want to say something to the camera?
Oh, we live streaming?
Yeah.
Alright, that's it.
Good morning guys, I am up. It's Saturday morning. We are getting ready to go and meet up with some other bikers. Again, I don't know the full day layout, but I know we're going to meet up with some other bikers and either go to a parade, or we're going to be in the parade, or and then it's also an event happening in the park today. So lots of things going on. I'm going to get as much footage as possible, and I might have to just put on screen what is actually going on because I don't have all the full details yet. But I wanted to say good morning before it gets really loud. I know some people went to go get gas, so we're waiting for them to come back and some more people to wake up and get ready. So I will see you guys when we get to our next destination.
Although they say when you finish paying off the car, real stuff happens.
No, I just want to let you know that this year is the 28th year that we've been doing the Emoji Festival. And before we get started, we're going to have prayer with Pastor Lynn Bachman. Here you go.
It started back up, right?
Good morning, everybody. It is 6:30 Sunday morning. I'm all mixed up, y'all. It's early. I thought we were supposed to leave at 8:30. They called us and said we're leaving at 6:30, and they told us that at 6 o'clock. So I had to rush, hurry up, get dressed. I am not riding the bike back home. I'm getting in the truck. Okay, I just wanted to ride the bike out here, and I did that. I accomplished my goal. I had fun out here, though. It was really fun getting to see everybody, and even being within the community and going to that event yesterday and just seeing all the vendors and things like that. So that was really fun. The ride is really what I came out